Sorgen um Geld, gib mir nur deine Hand, ich kauf dir morgen die Welt. Egal wohin du willst, wir fliegen um die Welt. Hau sofort wieder ab, wenn es dir hier nicht gefällt. Yeah. Okay. Baby, du weißt Bescheid.
Yeah, I'm playing today again because I busted 15 minutes before end of the day. So what happened? I don't know. I had a good stack, 150k, and then it was a huge pot with Vanessa, of course. Ace King versus Kings, and yeah, that's pretty much, yeah, it was pot for I lost like 90k, 90k, so I like stay on 20 big blinds, and I find the pocket fours on a button, and big blind find pocket sevens, and ciao Sonia, arrivederci. So nice try. Yeah, I mean, it's new day. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see what this day brings, and it's just start, so we'll see.